Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a bracelet crafting kit. So this is the box that came. That's probably what you expect inside that it came with here. So we got a case, we got threads, we got beads for making this stuff here. So let's see what's inside. So this is the box, inside the box. Now it's empty box. Instructions. Different instructions. Came with bungee braid. Then the double thread braid. Just showing you how to do it step by step right here. And then spiral braid rope, so showing you how to do it here. And then the bungee braid, how to do it. And what's inside, instructions. So do not lose this one. And this is the box, very cute. How do you open this one? Oh, so push and pull to open it. Push, pull. Ah, so cute. So it opens like that. Oh, what a nice box. Right here. And close. Here. Oh, so cute. Look at that. So it's so easy to use. It's that nice tire. 3 layer, 1, 2, 3. 3 layers of different materials. The first layer, these are the threads here. Then more threads. Right here. Some pegs. What else? Here's. So you got this one here, like elastic. We got this. We have all kinds of different beads and double-sided tape maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure what is that. Right there. And we got stickers right here. So all of that. So that's the one that came with the kit. Plus of course the manual and instruction. 4 different ways of making a bracelet. This one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 different types of bracelet making. And these are your materials. Everything here with a very cute case. That is 3 tier. 1, 2, and 3. And then you just close it. Push. And push. There you go. Plus this one here is telling you, so the pegs goes to the right here and the hole here. These are for the pegs. So just follow the instruction for making it. And the beads are for, you can use for jewelry or the bracelet that you're making here. And this is the peg there. Oh, okay, so I know. Hold on. So open is to just pull that and open here. So this one here, this is where you put your sticker here, right here. That's why that with that you put a sticker and put it here on the face. So these are usable, consumable thing. And these are the pegs right here, which we're doing that right here to hold your whatever you're making right here. These are the one that goes here. So we got all of this. So that all of this came with it. So you got all these holes, maybe for different sizes. Pull, open, and there we go. Plus this. So that's the one that came with this kit, the bracelet crafting kit. This is the box. So there you go. Thank you for watching.